Hi, welcome to this More4apps video. Today we're going to change the distribution on an existing PO. What I'm showing here in the top PO is the existing, the bottom one is the updated one. You see we have to put a change description in, and we do that at the header as well as the distribution level and an action of update. And you can also see the distribution account changes we've made from the original PO to the changed PO below. Let's see how it's done. First of all, I'm pasting in a PO. I could put in multiple purchase orders here. And I'm using the More4apps defaulting feature in row 10 to help speed up the data entry. I then just go and change the charge accounts. In this example, I'm just using the last charge account and making that the charge account for all the other line items. And I simply press upload. You can see the defaults kick in there with update dist account. We call the Oracle Web Service. And if we go back to the left, we'll see that our changes have been accepted. Now, to ensure that the changes have taken place, you can download the purchase order. When we scroll to the right, we'll see those new distributions. Thanks for watching this video.